Every day, procurement teams make decisions on data they can't fully trust. Fragmented ERP systems, duplicate suppliers, unstructured contracts, limited market visibility. This leads to missed savings, hidden risks, and slow decisions that delay action when it matters most. Beroe Procurement Analytics is a white-glove, outcome-focused offering that transforms fragmented procurement data into decision-grade intelligence, working seamlessly alongside your existing ecosystem. Spend data, supplier data, contract data, and market intelligence unified into one intelligent view. AI-powered analytics strengthened by category experts, category-aligned taxonomies that reflect real sourcing structures, a dynamic spend cube beyond ERP visibility, integrated market, inflation, and risk intelligence built directly into procurement decisions. The impact is measurable: 8 to 12% average savings, 25 to 30% more sourcing opportunities identified, over 95% spend data accuracy. What typically takes weeks of internal effort is delivered in days through AI-enabled tools and hands-on category expertise. From supplier consolidation to contract compliance and tariff risk monitoring, teams move faster with confidence. Continuous refreshes keep insights aligned to changing markets, suppliers, and business priorities. So procurement doesn't just react, it leads. Beroe Procurement Analytics, built for smarter procurement decisions. With Beroe, you're always in the know.